Hotjar will start giving you reports after it collects data. And usually after 1,000 sessions on your website, you will have reports like the ones that I'm going to show you now. This is one of my clients. This is a click heat map, and it shows you where people are clicking on your website. For example, the page gallery is the one that has the most clicks. And if I was going to do consulting for this client on how to improve their website, I would start with the gallery page. And as I scroll down, I get to see other parts of the website that people are clicking a lot. And for this example, we see that the testimonials are a part that has a lot of engagement. People are clicking here a lot. And another one with the gallery. And I also check the address. And this is another click heat map, but this one is on the mobile. And you can see that the full menu button had 39% of the clicks, which is a lot. 161, that's a lot of people clicking to see the menu. And you get to analyze other parts. 36 steps, that's a lot too. People are seeing the events and the full menu again. And Hotjar gives you other types of reports too. And the other thing that Hotjar can help you is with analyzing the quality of blog articles. On this blog article, as I scroll down, I can see the percentage of people that have reached each point of this web page. And if I scroll all the way to the end of the article, I see that 46% of users reach this point, which is a very good stat, which proves that this is a good blog article. So you can use this tool to compare the blog articles you have written, and then you can focus more on subjects that people are scrolling through the end more. You can use this number as a reference of quality for your blog articles. And lastly, but not less important, is the recordings. The recordings are very good because you can actually see what people are doing on your website. Let me pull up an example. If I click play, and here you can see exactly what people are reading, where they're clicking on. And this can help you like find bugs, find maybe errors on your website that you were not aware of. And it can give you insights on how to position things. The focus of this video is to show the potential of how Hotjar can help your website and how you can get ideas of how to improve your website. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on it, and share with your friends.